Okay, here we go. Hi, it's Rich Fournier here from richfournier.ca, local real estate agent here in the Oakville and Burlington marketplace. This is a part of a series that we will be doing on community businesses in Oakville and Burlington. Today we are doing a showcase on Dr. Geisler here at the Dundas Chiropractic Clinic in North Oakville. It is located at the corner of Trafalgar and Dundas in the Longos Plaza. And we do these community profiles so you can get kind of an idea of the professionals that we have here in the community. Dr. Geisler is probably one of the best that we have in Oakville, and I'm very pleased to call him as a friend. So, Dr. Geisler, thanks again for coming in and allowing me to come in and do this and interview you. I know you are extremely busy here at the clinic. So, I was wondering if you could tell me a little bit about the clinic here and about yourself and how long you've been in practice for.
We started here about 8 years ago. I built this clinic from scratch. I started with only myself, and we've built it up to about 9 practitioners. Not only chiropractic, but we've got massage therapy, we've got acupuncture, we've got chiropody, which is foot care. That includes everything from orthotics to any kind of surgical procedures that the chiropodist requires, have done to the patient. We've got physiotherapy, we've got a multitude of different practices and professionals here at the clinic.
So let me ask you a question. So you have something that's a little unique in town, and it's called Spinal Decompression. Could you kind of explain to people what this is all about and how it helps people?
This is really not a new procedure. Spinal decompression started with traction. Traction has been around for thousands of years. It started off with manual traction, the practitioner holding on to whatever part of the body and giving a little bit of a pull. We went forward to the point where we had rope and pulley kind of system. It was rather archaic. The table did a lot of the pulling, and you still see some of those kind of tables out today. Then we jumped forward about 5 years, or from 5 years backwards, and we got the advent of the computer involved. Now we can localize which disc we have to work on, which herniation to work on, which bulge to work on, and we do that in a specific way, the amount of force that's given, the time duration, the kind of program. So if you've got degeneration of that spine, we're going to give you a totally different program to loosen up that spine than we would somebody with a herniation. If you've had that herniation 10 years, and you've had that pain down the leg for that 10 years, versus the person who walks in last week with a herniation, we've got a totally different program for you. And that program is designed in the table. This table is only one table of 5 in Canada.
Wow.
It comes from Hill Laboratories. This is very important. Hill Laboratories designed this table, and they've been in business for 50 years down in the States. They've got a table in most hospitals in North America.
Fantastic.
Very well known.
So is it fair to say that when someone comes in who is experiencing pain of some sort, that not one size fits all?
Absolutely not. Patients will walk into my office and say, I want spinal decompression. I say, hold on, you may not be a candidate. I ask them some questions, and yeah, you know, only a couple can get on that table because they're not candidates for that kind of treatment.
I understand. That's great. Now, you also mentioned that you have massage therapists here.
We do.
And are they available, how many days a week is massage therapy available here?
7 days a week.
Wow.
7 days a week, because a lot of people are you know, they're employed, they're Monday to Friday. Well, we need people here both during the evenings. We've got massage therapists working till 9 o'clock at night.
Wow.
As well as Saturday and Sunday.
Fantastic. You know, when you're involved in a community, you get the chance to meet some pretty amazing people, and Dr. Geisler in his clinic is just an amazing clinic, from the front staff to the practitioners. I must say, this is one of the most professional offices that I've ever been in. So if you have the time, and if you have some challenges, feel free to give Dr. Geisler's office a call, and I'm sure he could accommodate you in any way. Listen, this is Rich Fournier. I'm a local realtor in the Oakville and Burlington marketplace. I'm here to serve you. If you're thinking real estate, think rich. And at the same time, if you're in pain, why don't you give Dr. Geisler a call and see if he can help you in any way. Thanks again, and have a great day.
Thank you again, Rich.
No problem. Thank you, Dr. G.